How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? Well, that's what we're trying. Currently down 36,800. No, wait, $36,662 today. And why is that? Well, my three amigos, gold, silver, and oil, are wow, wow, wow. You know where they're at, downtown to Chinatown. So I wanted to go through where we stand right now. It's important just for my own trading journey to document the days when there's a pit in your stomach because all you see is red, and also the challenge that it is to buy on the way down. And I did spend some Dolla Billz today, so we'll go through that in a minute. But I thought this was interesting. So the notes that I had yesterday for you, I wanted to go through real quick because we are getting exactly the pullback that we were looking for. Gold should retreat to a minimum of 23.85 with big support at 23.20. I wrote this yesterday with gold well over 2,400, and currently gold is at 23.77. Interesting. Silver, I'm looking for a pullback soon. All right. And I'd like to see support around 30.90. And silver's at 30.82. GDX, I'm still looking for my Friday expiration covered calls to be safe, and they have a strike of 36.50. And there they are right there. They've gone from way negative to way positive because GDX has made the move that we were anticipating. Now, sometimes these moves can be very quick and then bounce back up. So I'm rolling the dice at this moment. Let's see, at this moment. So what do we have? 50 contracts. If we do 50 times 12, all right, it'd be $600. $600 that it would cost me to buy those back. Wait a minute. Isn't the math already on there? I like to do my own math. So we were right. Pay $650. I only collected $5. At the moment, I'm going to roll the dice, take my chances, because I think we are going to be safe, just as we anticipated. Crude oil, we need to break through 80 to confirm the local bottom is in. Otherwise, that if it continues to go down, then around 77.50, I have to rethink. Under 77.50, I have to rethink my oil setup. Guess where oil's at? It's exactly at 77.50. So I'm eyeballing that. I don't have to rethink my plan yet, but if it continues to go south, then I for sure do. But it's right at that tipping point. GDXJ is at 46.58. This was yesterday. Looking for a pullback under 45. GDXJ at 44.81. Hello, where is that crystal ball? Well, you know what they say about a blind squirrel, Bart. I know. And then what do we got here? SPX will probably meander sideways. If not, we will begin to trend lower. We'll be looking at 5,300 for support, followed by 5,250. Woo, woo, woo. Currently under 5,300. It's at 5,287. And then if we can count a clean 5 waves down, then we have to throw up the caution flag. So we haven't counted the 5 waves down, 5 clean waves down yet in the S&P 500, but it's tracking that way. But it could turn on a dime and then continue to meander sideways and even get back up to and strike its head on 5,350. Those are the things that we've talked about. Let's go back to the board just to see. I've got the GDX expiring, the GLD, which was both of these. Well, they're still showing SLV underwater, but GLD, 225 calls. It was right knocking at the door at 225, and now it's come all the way back down to 219.99. So that's what's going on in the GLD. So getting safer by the minute on that position because I don't want to lose any of these shares. SLV, we have 6,000 shares up for grab at 28.50. Currently, we're safe at 28.20, but silver, it has not been wanting to do much of a pullback, but it actually has made a move recently, as we talked about. Silver now down 3.5% today, 3.5% today, with the SLV down 3.69%. So all three currently safe. It is Wednesday, 2 more trading days to go. Anything can happen. So we'll continue to watch that. But there we go, right there, where we had all-time high. Was that yesterday? Where's your ancient note? Ancient Chinese secret. Let's see. Today's what? 22nd. So no, it was on Monday. We had the portfolio high of 2.125, and now we're down to 2.081. But I honestly, laughter through tears is my favorite emotion, and I've been trying to laugh my way into pushing the buy button. Let's take a look at what we've done the past 2 days. So I did get in early yesterday. Goldfields Limited bought 1,000 shares at 16.58. It's currently trading at, drumroll, please, 16.03. Okay, so earlier I looked at it. It's making a little bit of a comeback from where it was. Bought 1,000 shares of Equinox Gold, and that is at, where are you at? 551, and I bought it at 579. So buying on the way down, very difficult to do psychologically. Finally got into First Majestic Silver, got in at 726. I was trying to hold out to a 6 handle, but I had revised that in one of my multiple notes here to 749 and under. So I was able to get in at 726 today, and it's currently trading at 720. So all of these should be lower right now because I just haven't been able to figure out how to time the bottom. NGD, which is New Gold, bought 1,000 shares at $1.96. Silvercrest Metals bought 1,000 shares at $8.84. Integra Resources bought 2,000 shares at 82 cents per. Osisco Development bought 1,000 shares at $2.13. Skeena Resources bought 1,000 shares at $4.75. US Gold Corp 1,000 shares at $5.71. And then I've been looking at I-80 Gold for a while. It could be just like the gambler in me, but that thing looks like it's been beat down way below what it should be priced at. I think we got a 3 to 4 bagger in there. So I went ahead and bought 4,000 shares at $1.19 on the I-80 Gold, which is ticker IAUX. So I did spend so far today. Today's not over, is it? No, I spent so far today $59,420 bills. That might be it for today. Just in case we continue downtown to Chinatown tomorrow, then I'll fill some more positions up. But that's what we want to show you today. Who's we? Me and you, Terry. That's who. Because it's very important for me, again, to record these sessions when it's very difficult to be an investor and a trader, especially when you're 3 sweethearts that you're essentially you're almost all in in this portfolio. I'm hedged everywhere else. Vanguard, I have no gold. I shouldn't say everywhere I'm hedged because Stacy's account is over gold too. If you know that reference, then you're pretty cool. Over gold. What movie is that from? Also, yeah, that's what we're looking at. That's not a big number considering these are mostly all junior miners. So that's why the super low prices, but they carry the biggest risk, but also the biggest reward. So I'll be going through all of my current positions on the majors to see if there's anything I need to add right now. But if there's nothing under my cost basis of what I currently hold, then I won't be adding today. Oh, wait, I wanted to look at, yeah, I'll probably be adding GDXJ today. In fact, let's just put a position on right now. GDX and the J, GDXJ, probably should sell puts on it, but I wanted to get in this since I sold out. Oh, okay, we got a 44 handle. That should make you feel good. We'll do 500 shares, 22,450. It's dropping right out of bed though, isn't it? Let's get it before it tries to bounce up. Okay, 44.92 on 500 shares of GDXJ. Move your head a little bit. GDXJ buy 500 at, would we just buy it at? 44.92. Robinhood, you always cost me You always cost me a penny. I know that's what I'm paying to get my free trades, but I think I mentioned this to you. Maybe I did not. But I will be looking for a new brokerage for the Robinhood account, moving it to something that will support my living trust as a beneficiary. Robinhood says they're working on it, but they've been working on it for like a couple of months, and I've gotten nowhere with them. And, I spent a bunch of dough. We put, or I should say, are putting everything into our living trust just to protect the assets going forward, protect the kids, have it all spelled out as to inheritances, ages in which they will receive, protocols. We've got some pretty fun fine print in there. So, hey, it's our money. We'll do what we want with it, including have some strings that we can pull if you don't pick the right partner in life. I know, sounds bad. I don't care. We've warned them since the day they were born. 2 most important decisions you'll make: what you do for a living and who you spend your life with. So that is all I've got for you today. We may have another day or 2 of this portfolio going downtown to Chinatown, but we have big things in store of this coiled spring. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend, hit the notification bell, do all the things that you want to do to make this a better world. And I will see you in the next video.